back. Today we're playing a classic game. Noob! Come on! Accept my ticket! I'm reporting you, soda machine!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You're the plane for Daddy.
Don't worry, son. The plane won't crash into an island. I think it's going to crash. Dum dum. What can I say except you're dumb dumb? Wait, Momo? Oh, never mind. Who the hell's Momo? Is this a real player? 6, 7, 6, 7.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Anyway, give me my bag. Give me my bag. Oh. Okay, thanks for loading my 27,000 kg back in the.
Oh, brother, this guy
Ooh la la, what do you get? Tapole. Okay. Looks quite bad. Why is there so many studs? It looks like it was made in 2009. Plane will arrive in 1 minute. From where? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why are you not coming? Oh, I'm so dumb. Damn, why people spend 80,000 Robux on some avatar that looks like a cringe baby?
Oh, brother,
Get something
this
cool
guy
like
stinks!
what I did. My leg! White dessert. If you get rammed by the A370, I don't care. Ooh. The classic Roblox you are playing. Hey, can I kill the pilot and sit his spot? Or can I just keep standing up like a little dumb toilet boy? I need a girl to do this with me because I don't have a girlfriend. You're an egg. You're here. There's no... Wait, I need a girl. Does anyone wants to join me?
Brother,
I
this
got
guy
rejected by a girl.
stinks!
You're here. There's nothing right here. And my dogs on my heart will go on. We'll stay forever in this way. You would say in my heart, and my heart will go on. Okay, problem. How do I get back without getting launched 78 feet? Like if I jump right now, I'm going to get shot all the way to the back of the plane. Bro, I just teleported. See what I mean? Oh my god. Is there a toilet? Can I stand on the toilet bowl? Will that help?
Oh, brother,
Skibbity-dop. Oh,
this
shoot.
guy stinks!
Skibbity dop dop dop. Yes. Skibbity deep deep. Ooh, let's follow Momo. Why is the plane moving like crazy? I broke my leg. It's okay. Huh? Momo. Oh, she rejected me. Okay. Wow. Oh no.